Hello everyone, welcome to another coding exercise lesson here. So today we want to write a program that depends on the input. It gives us different messages in the output. So we would like to write a program that prints stop if the input is R, prints get ready to stop if the input is Y, and go if the input is G, and also returns invalid color if neither of the above mentioned cases were given as the input. So to do that, we can simply use if else condition. However, because we have many cases, like 4 cases to discuss, it would be easier and more efficient to write switch condition. So we define a light color character here. We get it from the input. We show the message to the user, enter traffic light color, R for red, Y for yellow, and G for green. And then we store it. Then we have our switch statement, and we are going to check the conditions on light color. Therefore, our variable is light color. And in different cases, we discuss the different cases here. So we say if it equals R, we don't write them down, but when we write case, quotation mark R means if light color equals quotation mark R. Colon, we enter this statement and we say cout stop. And then we need to remember that don't forget to write the break there. And the case it's Y, get ready to stop, it need to be printed. And in the last case, which is G, you can print go. In the default case, when neither of the above mentioned cases were true, we mention invalid color. So let's try it and see how it works. I would say G. It says go. I would say this time I would say Y, it says get ready to stop. So let's analyze the code once together. So here it starts here, checks the R, saying that light color, does it equal R? No. Does it equal Y? Yes. So when it's not equal R, it escapes. Then it goes for the case Y, and then it is correct. It's true. Then it enters here, and then when it breaks, everything is exited. So the program stopped right there when you put the break. And in case we write something different, like if I say like D, it says invalid color. So because it checked 3 input colors like R, Y, and G, and neither of them were there. So it went to the default statement saying that invalid color. So you see how it is easy to use switch statement instead of if else statement when we have many conditions to check.